Hi everybody, so this is the third video in my series on coordinate geometry with straight line graphs. In this question, we're told that the point A with coordinates 10, 16 and the point B with coordinates W4, where W is a constant, lie on the straight line with equation 4y minus 3x minus v equals 0, again where v is a constant. For part A, we've been asked to work out the value of v and the value of w. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch the line segment A to B. We've been told that point A is at coordinates 10 and 16, and point B is at coordinates W and 4. And that A and B lie on this equation. So if we substitute in the 10 and the 16 from point A into this equation, we can work out the value of V. So 4y minus 3 lots of x minus V will give us 0. We can work this out and we get 34 minus V is 0. So V must equal 34. And now we know V, we can use the equation and the y coordinate from B to work out W. So if we substitute in W and 4 into the equation, we've got 4 lots of 4 minus 3 lots of W minus the 34 is 0. The 16 take away the 34, we can move to the right hand side. So negative 3W will equal 18. So W will equal negative 6. Okay, so we've got the values of V and W. For part B, we're told that the line L1 is perpendicular to AB and passes through the point X, which lies on AB such that A to X to X to B is 1 to 3. We've been asked to work out the equation for the line L1. Okay, so A to X to B is 1 to 3. So we can break this line up into 4 parts, and we'll have X to be approximately here, where B to X is 3 parts and X to A is 1 part. If I just replace this W with negative 6. So now we can work out this X coordinate by considering the line segment from B to A. So the change in X is from negative 6 to 10, which is a distance of 16. We're breaking this up into 4 equal parts, and then moving across 3 of them from B. So if we move across by 12, then this will be negative 6 plus 12. This will be 6. Similarly, if we look at the change in Y, from 4 to 16 is a change of 12. Divide this by 4 and we get 3. And then move 9 up from 4 and we get 13. So we know the coordinates at X are 6 and 13. And that the line L1 is perpendicular to AB. So we can sketch line L1 passing through X, perpendicular to AB, and because it's perpendicular, we know the gradient of a line AB will be the negative reciprocal of this blue line L1. So the gradient of A to B will be the change in Y, so from 16 to 4 is 12, divided by the change in X from negative 6 to 10, 16. And we can simplify this to make 3/4. So this tells us the gradient of line L1 will be negative 4 over 3. Okay, so now we've got the gradient of line L1 and the point it passes through, we can find the equation of this line. If we use the equation of a line, m lots of x minus x1 will equal y minus y1. We know the gradient is negative 4/3. The x coordinate it passes through could be 6. The y value it passes through could be 13. We can simplify this by multiplying out the negative 4 and moving this division of 3 to the right hand side. So we get negative 4x plus 24 will equal 3y minus 39. And rearranging it into this form, we get 4x plus 3y minus 63 will equal 0. Okay?